Can't even tell it's you with the helmet on.
What?
Jenny Long. Jenny's painting. Painting with Jenny.
Painting with Jenny.
That's right.
All of this part. Yes.
First side-by-side experience.
First ever.
All right, here's your goggles, of course.
Oh.
Yeah, just throw them between the lens.
Oh. Uh-oh.
You're good. It's a little low on the back. There you go. Okay. Wait, give me a look. Get one for the kids. Hey guys, my name's Marcel Irnie. I'm from Kelowna, so not too far down the road.
Hi. Sam, Keegan. Is it true that you want Miss Jenny to go on the back of your motorcycle?
No, I didn't suggest. Well, I don't remember us suggesting that.
Miss Jenny!
That's hilarious. Where's the shocker?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you're in park.
Yep.
And it's already on mode. Put your foot on the brake, start her up, start it. All right, now let's just put it in low and cruise around the circles, just do whatever. Always remember, try to drag, read it in low.
Yep.
You're low, okay? So just drag the brake, drag the gas, get a feel for dragging them, okay? And then just start to feel it out. There's Jenny. Jenny's painting with Jenny. All right, Jenny in the house. So long. Have you been practicing using the brake though?
Yep.
I mean, you're just cruising along, but try to like hard brake, like stop and excel, stop, excel. Try a few of those, okay? We want to make sure you get the brake instinct. Go try some braking drills. There we go. How's it feel?
Awesome. Feels so different from everything else I've tried.
Yeah, for sure. And maybe just go in the end and turn around and come this way now. Go reverse direction. Just start going reverse. Go do a U-turn and come this way. There you go, and go. Okay, so you think you're ready for high now. So now keep your foot on the brake and just pull it back one slot to high.
For sure. I have a question about when I'm over there.
Okay, put it in park first. Put it in park. All the way forward. All the way forward. It's in park. Okay, turn it off. Just yeah.
Safety first.
Okay, no, so I can hear you.
Oh, exactly. Over there, where it's kind of like you're on a slant.
Yeah. Like in this part or on the wall there?
It was on a bit of a wall.
Okay, so start the machine up.
Is this okay? Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, okay, we'll start recording now if it even works. Stupid GoPro. Start it, just hold it, and you're good. And then all the way to high, foot on the brake still.
Yep.
Just do it. You're in high now.
Oh,
Okay,
God.
just be very careful on the throttle, but you'll get a little more speed now.
Okay.
Motor rail rig right there.
Okay.
There she is, first time in high in the RS1 named RYzen. We're on the way. Here she comes out. Jenny, baiting with Jenny. That tree on the way out of the loop there. And then obviously when you're coming down here, you know, you were like, oh, it's a left-hand turn, and all of a sudden hard brake. Because you went the other way, you know, you didn't go in, you went.
I got confused.
But it's all good, you know, we just picked.
First time, so I couldn't remember which way you came back. I don't know.
Alright, go put a couple more laps together. We got 7 minutes, we'll make a 10-minute video painting with Jenny with RYzen the RS1. Yeah?
Okay, one more time. Where did I go wrong on the way back?
Sometimes we go hard down here and then hard left, or you could go enter this way. Start her up. And hold on. So you're in 4-wheel drive this whole time. We can also put in 2, give a little different feel. There's 2-wheel drive, so the rear end will spin more. You won't go as fast, but it'll also be more tail happy. No big deal, it's just fun. All right. What?
Did you see when I went off the track?
Yeah, that's happened many a time.
Yeah, and it was different with the 2-wheel.
Oh yeah, because then it just steers out a little bit.
Yep.
Fighter pilot Jenny painting.
I can't wait to Yeah, throw down some. Action.
In the summertime with all the mud up in Gowdy,
Oh my god.
you can get your bikini on, your micro bikini, and then go mud and bugging. He's going deep. Look at this. Oh, it's coming in my feet. And then when you get stuck, there's a winch. You got to get out in your bikini and then get all in the mud and hook it up. Remember those rampage things on Instagram? Videos of these guys. That'll be you one day.
Sweet. Can't wait.
Not too bad. Whoa, nice! Oh!
Just so you know, you got a fresh wash this
I know, look at the mud, dude!
Oh, look at it. It used to be blue. Now it's poo.
Marcel, you should go through that one now.
Maybe you can go jump in it if you want to go in it.
You should go swim in it.
Woo! You're getting drenched! I was there! I did that one next to you. I did that whole earlier.
All right, you guys got to stand right there. You guys got to stand right there.
Have you gone yet?
I did that last time, yeah.
Closer together. You guys are sexy bitches.
Look at your machine.
That's awesome.
Oh shit. That was freaking deep. Oh man, I filled up my feet here. I gotta pull the plug. Let's do that. Am I getting clean? No, it's not coming off. Anyways, guys, another adventure out in the Kelowna, BC. And yeah, I'm gonna take the harder line.
The harder line.
Whoa. Oh shit. All right, cool.
That was fun. Sweet, thank you.
All right, so the buckle right here on the one side, just old school style.
Oh, the push.
Yeah, it's pull, push, pull. No.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Yeah, I know. Just walk out. We'll get the goggles off you. Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Irnie. This is the water wheel ring. It's what, March 29th or 30th?
30th. No, 30th, yeah.
Yeah. Cool, cool. Jenny Long painting side by side in RYzen. Painting some dirt tracks, right?
Yeah. Sweet.
All right, cheers.
Here we are.
I am Dirt Bike Survivor Man here with RYzen, the RS1. We got a new tune and super loud exhaust from Aftermarket. It's gonna be wild, guys. All right, let's go rock out. What? You blew the corner. Yeah. Well,
You exceeded track limits.
I don't know. It doesn't feel any faster to me right now.
Oh, well, it's pretty hard to tell. You're on a short course.
It's been so long.
Yeah.
So, the suspension's way too soft right now.
Too soft?
I guess. Well, it's all set up for trails.
Yeah.
Here's the Sandfeld for 2-man.
No. Oh my god. That's so awesome. Oh man.
All right.
All right, jump number 2. Here it comes. Whoa! Oh, he broke something.
Woo! Yeah, that was really good.
That was some serious distance, huh?
Yeah.
Where's that landing?
Oh man, you went really far.
All right, anyways, guys, Dirt Bike Survivor Man, Superbike Wanderer, March 29th, maybe 2021. Peace.